Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a website to your Google Search Console account. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to monitor their website's performance on Google Search, manage their site, and troubleshoot various technical SEO issues. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to add and verify your website, particularly using the DNS verification method. Before we dive in, here's a quick tip. If you're looking to monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost your search performance, try URL Monitor by clicking the link in the description below. It's a great tool to keep your online presence running smoothly. Let's get back to our video. First things first, let's open Google Search Console. Once you're on the Google Search Console homepage, you'll need to log in with your Google account associated with your website. Once you're in your Google Search Console account, look at the top left corner of the interface. You'll notice a downward-facing arrow next to the property name. Click on this arrow and you'll see the option to Add Property. Selecting this will prompt you to choose between two methods for adding your website: the domain method or the URL prefix method. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting the domain method. This method allows you to track the performance of all subdomains and protocols under a single property. This is particularly useful for a comprehensive view of your site's performance. If you choose the URL prefix method, you'll have to manage each variation separately, which can become cumbersome. After selecting the domain method, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Make sure to enter it correctly, without any prefixes like www or http. Once you've entered your domain, click the Continue button to proceed. At this stage, Google will attempt to verify that you've added the necessary DNS records for your domain. To successfully add your domain to Google Search Console, verification is required through DNS records. Google will provide you with a specific TXT record that you need to add to your domain registrar or your CDN provider, such as Cloudflare. Since I'm using Cloudflare for this domain, I'll demonstrate how to complete the verification process. Click on the Start Verification button and you will be directed to authorize Google to add the DNS records for you. After clicking Authorize, Google will automatically add the TXT record to your Cloudflare account. Once this process is complete, you should see a message confirming that the DNS record has been successfully added. After authorization, Google will verify the DNS record. If everything is set up correctly, you'll receive a confirmation that your domain has been verified. This step is crucial as it confirms your ownership of the domain and allows you to access its data in Google Search Console. Once verification is successful, you can click on Go to Property. You'll now see your newly added website in your Google Search Console account. If this is a live website, the data should begin populating shortly. However, if you're working with a test website, you may need to wait a few hours or even up to a day for the Search Console data to be displayed. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add a website to your Google Search Console account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel confident in managing your website's presence on Google Search. By the way, you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with URL Monitor. Check the link to it in the description below.